To install half doors, you'll have to remove the full doors first. Check out the links in the description for details on door removal and installation. Watching these videos will make half door installation much easier. Install the half doors one at a time and note the top hinge pin is longer to help guide the door into place. Insert and tighten the check screw with the number 40 Torx head driver. Next, install the outside hinge pin screws with the number 50 driver. To install the front wiring connector, close the door slightly to provide adequate slack. Lightly press the wiring connector straight into the harness. After the lever starts to lower, close it fully and push the locking tab down into place. Attach the rear wiring connector by seating it straight into the harness until it clicks. Now, attach the cloth straps to the metal hooks and install the wiring access doors. If the side mirror isn't installed on the door, you'll have to do that next. Attach the wiring harness on the lower half door to the connector on the mirror. Set the mirror in the outside door hole and feed the 3 number 40 Torx head screws through the inside holes by hand, starting from the bottom. Then, tighten the screws with the number 40 Torx head driver. From outside the vehicle, slowly set the door to the almost closed position and check how the latch aligns with the striker. If the door needs alignment, loosen but don't remove the 4 bolts on the door hinges using the number 50 Torx head driver. Hold the door almost closed and move it up or down as needed so the latch and striker align. Then, close the door softly, check for a uniform gap, and tighten the hinge bolts. Do not adjust the body-mounted hinges or any part of the door latch. This will upset the alignment of the full door. When the doors are aligned, remove the plugs from the post holes on the lower half doors with a trim stick or hook tool. Make sure the window on the upper half door is completely zipped closed. Then, insert the upper half posts into the lower half holes and push down firmly. There are 2 ways to check for potential leaks. The first is to close the door with a dollar bill-sized paper strip between the seal and the body, then pull up on the strip. If it slips through easily, the seal will need to be adjusted. The second way is to open the window and close the door. With a flashlight in one hand or with another person in the vehicle, shine the light from inside to out and follow the door seal. If you can see light through the seal, you'll have to adjust it. To adjust the seal compression, open the door and lift the upper half up and away from the lower half. Lay the upper half on a clean, dry surface with the inside facing up. Using an 8mm open-end wrench, find the nut located inside the bottom of the doorpost closest to where the gap was detected. Hold the top screw in place with a 3mm Allen wrench. The nut is actually facing downward, so you'll have to turn the open-end wrench clockwise to loosen it. Next, with the Allen wrench, rotate the screw clockwise to reduce the seal compression or counterclockwise to increase it. Hold the screw in place with the Allen wrench while tightening the nut inside the bottom of the post using the open-end wrench. Make sure the screw head is flush to the post. Reinstall the upper half door, close the door, repeat the leak test, and repeat the adjustment procedure as needed. You may have to install a shim to better seal the upper half door to the body. With the 2 halves separated, clean the bottom of the door pocket and slide the shim onto a pencil or similar tool. Remove the paper backing from the adhesive side and place the shim into the pocket. Press down firmly and remove the pencil once the shim is in place. Now reconnect the upper half door to the lower and repeat the leak test. When all doors are sealing properly, you're ready to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.